Did you know your customers have their own portal in LawnPro where they can view invoices, make payments, approve estimates, and much more? They can do all this without having to call you. In this video, we'll walk through everything your customers can do inside their client portal and show you how to preview it from your end so you know exactly what they're seeing. First, before we walk through the portal features, it's important to know that you can view any customer portal exactly as they see it. To do that, go to the Customer tab, Customers, find the customer you want to view the portal as, click the pencil button, scroll down, and you will see the yellow View Portal button. This takes you directly to their portal view. This is a great way to make sure everything looks right before sending a customer their portal link. The first thing your customer can do in their portal is save a payment method on file. To do this, they'll click on My Profile at the top right. Before the payment options become active, they'll need to set up a login. Once the required login is set to yes, and they add a password, the Add Credit Card file on file, and Connect Bank options will be clickable. When they've added a card, a pop-up will ask if they want to allow you to charge it. If they say yes, the card is saved on file, and they'll also have the option to enable auto charge if you have that feature active on your account. If you have ACH payments enabled, your customer can also connect their bank directly through Plaid, right through their portal. Once you send an invoice or estimate to your customer, they can view it right inside their portal. To view invoices, they'll click the Finance tab and Invoices. From there, they can click on any invoice to view and pay online if you have online payment set up. Here you can see that you can pay the invoice, make a partial payment, pay the account balance, add a tip, choose your payment method, and pay. If you go to Finance and Payments, it takes them to a list of all of their payments. If you've sent your customer any documents, they can find them under the Finance and Documents tab. If you take before and after photos on visits, your customer can view those as well by clicking on Pictures. This is a great way to show them the work that was completed, without having to send anything separately. Customers can also submit work requests directly through the portal. They simply click Work Request and then click the New Request button. They fill out the details of what they need. The request comes straight to you in LawnPro, so nothing gets lost in a text thread or voicemail. Last but not least, your customers can leave you a rating and a review right from their portal by clicking the Rate Us page. It's a simple way to collect feedback and build your reputation without having to chase anyone down. That's everything your customers can do inside their LawnPro client portal: saving payment methods, viewing and paying invoices, approving estimates, submitting work requests, and leaving reviews. It's a professional self-service experience that saves you time and keeps your customers in the loop.